Welcome back once more. Ngasidi class 12 ki unit 7 genetics and evolution nainaba hausi unit asigi introduction da kari hairi haibadu amtang yingminasi. The work of Mendel and others who followed him gave us an idea of inheritance patterns. Mendel amadi mahak ki loinaba sing makogi thabak se akoina yengluba matamda mama mapa sing na macha sing da kari thangtharai amadi karam haina thangtharai habagi maung matau haipet khangba ngame. However, the nature of those factors toigum sung thangtharai ba poto madugi nature se determine the phenotype was not very clear. I repeat, however, the nature of those factors which determine the phenotype was not very clear. So no wohayam later phenotype habam kak uriba phibam sing habani ko. As these factors represent the genetic basis of inheritance, understanding the structure of genetic material and the structural basis of genotype and phenotype conversion became the focus of attention in biology for the next century. Haidi masigi genetic basis of inheritance ta yauriba factor hairiba potse si akoina fajana study to matamda genotype tagi phenotype karam haina conversion thoibano haibaduni akoina biology na yamna study tawjakhibaje mamangi hantaki century ji tai tare ko. The entire body of molecular biology was a consequent development with major contributions from molecular biology haiba subject rasi makada piriba scientist ke sigi contribution yamna chawn laiba subject ni Watson, Crick, Nirenberg, Khorana, aduga Kornberg's mapamasa, Penzer, Monod, Brenner, etc. A parallel problem being tackled was the mechanism of evolution. Koi masi naina na genetics ki koi factor asi naina na koi na evolution ki matang asisu fajana khanghoba ngamle. Awareness in the areas of molecular genetics adi molecule level da nainaba genetics ni ko. Structural biology and bioinformatics have enriched our understanding of the molecular basis of evolution. So life karam haina evolve to we have a molecular basis si subject ahum masina yamna chauna mateng pangi yan haibani. In this unit, the structure and function of DNA and the story and the theory of evolution have been examined and explained. Yare, masi kakten heading se ko. Yengsi makada kari hairi hedana. Scientist ani khaki ngamna phajaba wari makak chapter si horok padapi unit si horok pada. Yengsi James Dewey Watson was born in Chicago on 6th April 1928. In 1947, he received BSc degree in zoology. During these years, his interest in bird watching had matured into a serious desire to learn genetics. This became possible when he received a fellowship for graduate study in zoology at Indiana University, Bloomington, where he received his PhD degree in 1950 on a study of the effect of heart X-rays on bacteriophage multiplication. Now, akoi hujik matamda gadi tawnadre ko 1947 da BSc degree phangba nupa se 1950 da PhD phangi chahi ahum da ko do karamai tawbuno mamangai gi education system duga hujik ka khara manaram maroi adam adu da kok thada biruranu makha yengsi. He met Crick as a physics and discovered their common interest in solving the DNA structure. Their first serious effort was unsatisfactory. Their second effort, based upon more experimental evidence and a better appreciation of the nucleic acid literature, resulted early in March 1953 in the proposal of the complementary double helical configuration. 47 da BSc loire 50 da PhD fange adu amuk sei hum matungda DNA gi structure se puthokadoi ni ko so sei hom gi gap se Francis Harry Compton Crick was born on 8 June 1916 at Northampton, England. He studied physics at University College London and obtained a BSc in 1937. He completed PhD in 1954. So, sidana 1937 da BSc loraga 1954 da PhD loire ko. Gap se yam lere ko sidana mo. On a thesis entitled X-ray Diffraction, Polypeptide and Proteins. A critical influence in Crick's career was his friendship with J.D. Watson, then a young man of 23, leading in 1953 to the proposal of the double helical structure of DNA and the replication scheme. So, Crick's career da koi DNA ki structure amadi replication ki scheme ju utpangam ki ko. Kauni masi physics fazana lawko nupani X-ray diffraction toba yamna haiba nupa mani. Crick was made an FRS in 1959, Fellowship of Royal Society of The honors to Watson and Crick include makoy na phangkiba award khara, the John Collins Warren Prize of Massachusetts General Hospital in 1959, the Lasker Award in 1960, the Research Corporation Prize in 1962, and above all, the Nobel Prize in 1962. Hojik masigi makha chatarak pada chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation asi ay mathangi video da taksarake. Ngasigi introductory video asidang yengbiro. Thank you very much.